Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jandeep and I show you how to make easy Indian food. Today is a very quick recipe. It is a classic Indian comfort food. It's called Khichdi. It's made out of rice and lentils mixed together. So let's get started. I start off with 1/4 of a cup of rice and 1/2 cup of lentils. I'm using the red and yellow lentils. They're moong and masur in Punjabi, but you can use any lentils that you have on hand. The reason this is such a quick and easy recipe is you just combine everything together and cook it all in one pot. And you can use a pressure cooker to make this. You can make it in a regular pot, but today I'm making it in an instant pot. As you can see, I rinsed the rice and the lentils until the water ran clear, and now I'm just setting my instant pot to saute while I add all my ingredients. For the ultimate comfort food, you have to use ghee. That's just the most comforting thing. It's delicious, but definitely you can use oil here if you are vegan. So I added about a tablespoon of ghee here. I added a pinch of caraway and cumin seeds to this. So this recipe is for 2 servings, but you can easily double or triple this recipe if you would like to make some and save it for later, or you have a larger family. Now I'm adding about a teaspoon of salt. I always use pink Himalayan salt, and I like to mention that because if you are trying this recipe and use a different kind of a salt, you may need more or less depending on what kind of salt you use. And I also added some red chili powder and some turmeric powder. So that's it. This is all we need for this recipe. Once everything is cooked, once the seeds are popping a little bit, I'm going to add my washed and drained rice and lentils. Give it a good mix, and all we have to do now is add some water and let it cook. I added about 4 cups of water to this. You can add a little bit more if you like thinner consistency, or a little less if you like a thicker consistency. But just so you know, if you've never made this before, it does get thicker and thicker the longer you leave it. So I always try to make it a little bit thinner, and then by the time you plate it and start eating it, it's already gotten a lot thicker. Since I'm making this in the Instant Pot, I'm going to be setting my valve on the sealing position, and now I'm putting the pressure cook option on at about 8 minutes. Once it's finished, this is what it looks like. At this point, it looks slightly watery, but by the time I plated it up, and even in this few minutes that I took to take pictures of the khichdi, it had gotten a lot thicker. So this is what my mom gave me whenever I was little and I had a cold, and it just reminds me of being at home, cozy on cold winter days. So I hope you all give it a try. It's so simple. You don't have to chop up anything. I had some steamed broccoli on the side, but you don't have to have anything with it. This is perfect just the way it is. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.